How to program a Philips Universal Remote to a Vizio TV. If you're using a Philips Universal and want to control your Vizio TV, this video will show you the correct setup steps. The process only takes a few minutes and works on most Philips Universal remotes. Alright, so step number 1, turn on the Vizio TV, make sure it's showing a picture. Step number 2, put Philips remote into setup mode. For that, press and hold the setup button. Release when indicator light turns on or blinks. Step 3, select TV mode. Now press the TV button on the remote. The indicator light should blink again to confirm TV mode. And then step number 4, enter a Vizio TV code. So one of these should work. 11758, 10178, 10864, etc. If the light turns off, the code was accepted. If it blinks multiple times, just go to the next code. And last step, test the remote. Press power, TV should turn off, press volume up or down, sound should change. If this worked, programming is now done. So this is how you program your Philips to Vizio TV. If this helped, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.